Hey guys, Guy Goes Woof here, and today we are doing another video in this super windy rock pile.
We're really high, it's like...
Did you almost just fall?
Yes, I tripped on that freaking branch right here. Frick my knee.
That's stupid. Hold it on tight. Alright, hang on to it like this tight. Alright, so today we are just having some fun up here. And you better be watching that timer. Alright, tell me if you find me. Go down here, hold on tight. Alright, let's go up. Let's do it. Now, what's that? Ready? Right here. This is gonna hit us. But I have a friend that fell down here, and his name is Dominic. I never made a video with him.
So, practically...
Alright, we're gonna go down here. You be careful, you don't need to slide. Hang on tight. Hang on tight to that. Holy crap.
Oh, frick.
I don't want my tablet to be in my drink.
Okay.
Holy frick.
Okay, Dominic was standing...
I don't feel safe. Alright. Alright. So he was standing. If you could see that wood block coming out of the ground right there. It's right in the middle of the screen right now. Alright. There's the far boy. You can just call him Nick because that's his name, right?
I said I'll tell my name when I get back.
There's our stuff. And it's so freaking windy. You already did tell your name. But. Ah! Frick! It's so windy!
Guys, this was Dominic, this big rock.
No, that's part of the fort. Don't do that one. Frick.
Pretend he was just fell off that log.
Holy frick! God. God. We'll put the camera on Nick so he can do this.
Pretend this is Dominic.
And we're just gonna do a quick camera view on Nick so he could have a little clickbait.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this rock with a boss.
Don't throw pieces of fort.
I'm trying to knock down this weird rock.
Oh, that was a piece of our fort, but it's not anymore. Alright, so it's a little black right now because we're going up the hill.
Oh, look at it, I'm shattering rocks on it, guys.
Frick.
Look at it, guys. I'm shattering rock on it.
I don't know if you could see.
I messed up. I gotta throw it better. Here it goes.
Wait. Oh, they couldn't see. The sun was blocking.
Destroy it.
My tablet's all dirty. Sometimes life is just crazy. Alright, we're up. It's all dusty. Oh, look at all the dust he's tracking. Ooh, it's windy! Look at that view.
I'm gonna spear this thing down there.
Alright, no, put it down to our base. Throw it down to our base. I'm gonna use that. Pathetic. Look at that car. It's coming right down. It's going down for real. Oh, there's another one. Do it! Be careful! Let's go. Let's go towards him. I'm just gonna need to hold on to you guys. Oh God! One wrong step and we could be done. Yeah, if you're afraid of heights. I mean, Holy frick, we're on a little ledge right here. Straight down. Holy frick! I'm hanging on to you guys tight.